Hi guys, so we are going to learn about International Court of Justice. It has been in news because the South African government had filed a case against State of Israel in the International Court of Justice for the alleged genocide of Gaza people. This is the reason that it becomes very much important. Today itself, the International Court of Justice delivered its interim judgment, not a final judgment, it is an interim judgment. That judgment clearly stated that the government of Israel should avoid any civilian casualty, means they prevent genocide in the Gaza Strip. At the same time, it also asked the Hamas militant organization to return the captives which were being held by the Hamas militant group. These are the important development in this case. That is the reason we are going to learn about International Court of Justice, what is its principal organ, its objective, structure, and important cases, if any. Now we are going to with start with the historical aspect of International Court of Justice. It was established in 1945 and it started its operation in 1946. It is one of the six important or principal organ of the United Nations. It is located in the Peace Palace, Hague, in Netherlands. It is the only organization which is located outside the New York, United States. When we talk about the six principal organ, as already I have mentioned, so we are going to know about which are the six important organ of the United Nations. First is General Assembly, second is Security Council, third Economic and Social Council, fourth is Trusteeship Council, which is no longer in operation. It suspended its operation in 1994 because it was thought that all the colonies has been all the colonies no colonies is under any state control, means all the colonies has been freed. uh, Fifth is ICJ, as already we are learning about it, and sixth is secretariat. When we talk about what is the objective of the ICJ, International Court of Justice, it has two important objectives. First is to settle dispute between different countries. Second is that it works as an advisory body for the United Nations and its six principal organs. Now we are going to learn about the structure of the International Court of Justice. There are 15 judges at ICJ and the tenure is 9 years. They are elected by General Assembly and Security Council. One third of the court is elected every 3 years and judges can be re-elected, means there is no limitation of the term. When you talk about the official language, it has two official language, English and French. When now we are going to connect this topic with India, in India, and learn about it. The first judge to first India judge to be appointed at the ICJ was Dr. Nagendra Singh, and currently Darveer Bhandari is serving since 2017. In 2017, India defeated the UK candidate, and then Dalveer Bhandari was elected at the International Court of justice. Now, the important case related to it is that Kulbhushan Jadhav was illegally captured by Pakistan from the Iran. He was an Indian national, a foreign navy officer, and at that time he was working as a businessman. Pakistani court pronounced death sentence for him. The Indian government or the Indian state challenged this judgment at ICJ, and the International Court of Justice stayed the hanging of the Kulbhushan Jadhav and asked Pakistani government to take appropriate action. Pakistani government passed an ordinance. Again, Indian government raised concern regarding shortcomings in those in that ordinance. The issue is still going on because Kulbhushan Jadhav is still in the custody of the Pakistani government. Now, these are the all important facts about International Court of Justice. Thank you.